So Bharadvajasana is a nice twist, and when you do it in the chair, you can really get a beautiful twist. And I'm going to show you now how to use a belt to even increase this twist. So first of all, you have to see that you sit high enough such that your hips are just a little bit above your knees. So depend on your heights, depend on the height of the chair, you have to arrange it. So I added a blanket here and I took a tall chair. And in order to use the belt, you put a small loop on the right shoulder. Okay, so Kim Ben Yaakov is showing here also from the back. And then I put it on the back, more or less, and the height of the floating ribs or the left kidney. And I take it below the frame, inside the frame here, below the backrest. And with my left side, I come close to the chair and pull with my left hand. Okay? And then push with the right hand to sit right upright. Okay, so it turns the chest very much. Left knee you have to move back in order to maintain the two knees as much as possible aligned. Okay. Then you can also wrap the belt one more here. Okay, so it will be easier to hold it. You pull with the left, so I can pull more, and push with the right hand. And breathe. Okay, and then of course you can do the other side. To get more contents from me, you can visit my site, eyalshifroni.com. On the online courses page, you can purchase in-depth courses. In my books page, you can get information about my books, and in classes and workshops, there is information about my workshops around the world. There are many other things, free resources, and in my blog I write interesting articles about the philosophy and the practice of yoga. Welcome!